Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope y'all are doing great. Now, you see the title. Normally I do not share with you what I get in the mail, but I got this package from HSN, and it's the auto ship that I got from, I want to say both are from Crafter's Companion. I paid with this with my own money. No one sent this to me to review it or anything like that. So I want to share with you what it is because I did not see I didn't when I get auto ships, let's just put it like that. Whenever it's the auto ships, I like to be surprised. So it's like I'm not like, ooh, I'm gonna get this, I'm gonna get that, and I gotta have it. But look at this. This one is from the original Ultimate Card Making Compendium, and it's called Woodland Creatures. Now, if these little stamps, I don't know what's in this box. I haven't looked at it. I don't know. I'm quite sure people have done unboxings and things like that, but I haven't been watching YouTube. And I'm tell you why. Life is kicking my butt. Okay, life is whooping me right now. I have a lot of things going on. Nothing major. Nothing like, oh my goodness, what's wrong? Nothing. Nothing like that. Just life. My son's school is early in the morning, so I can't do some of the things I want to do early in the morning. And then I've been having tremendous amounts of back pain lately, so I'm trying to just figure out all that. I like to keep these little slip covers because eventually one day when she gets her sugar honey iced tea together, I'm going to put this on my shelf. And when I put it on the shelf, I can keep this little sign and I can just pull out what I need. So anyway, we're going to be unboxing this together. I don't know what the heck's in here. I'm pulling off this little sticker label thing, which is really cute that they put that on there, right? And I love that it comes out like a little drawer. I've told you this before. I showed you that the sea thing one. I can't think of what the name of it is. Sea breeze something or other. This is these boxes, you can move with these boxes, right? Like you can build something with these boxes. They're very, very sturdy. And I do like that about Crafter's Companion. Like I'm not, oh, I'm only Crafter's Companion. All my craft stuff is this. Like I saw a picture and someone had all Crafter's Companion, everything. Like their whole entire room was purple. I am not loyal to any craft company. I like it all. I like too much of it. So you get a thank you card for spending your money. And with HSN, the way they have it, and I don't think you can go to a Crafts Companion and buy these individually yet. Maybe you can later on. And I know that they don't have auto ship from the website, but that's the one good thing about HSN is that it is auto ship. The thing is, every time they ship it, you get charged a shipping fee. So keep that in mind. So we're going to look at this last. We get one of these in every one of them. OMG. I can't wait. Okay, so I decided to do it backwards. Take out this big stuff because I usually put them back in the packaging. And this is called, well, this is colored card. So it's all probably going to go with that little wheel, the spectrum, these colors right here. Whatever complement those. So we won't even open this. But we will open the printed one. So this is the big one. You can make, you can fold it in half, cut it in half, and that would be your layering. Now they are, a lot of companies from the UK, I think, not so much in the States that I've seen, but the UK, they're big on layering and wasting paper. Like they'll have 5 sheets of paper. Good paper, the good paper. The paper that Brandy don't like to cut up. And they will do it. Now, Sarah, always talks about the paper quality that they have. These are just regular sheets of paper. They're not like the thick paper they use on their paper pads. So you get 2 of each one. Oh, this is so cute. This is pretty. I would definitely want more of that print of all of them. Not so, okay, so these are okay. These look like Halloween, something you can do with Halloween, so that's cool. I love this one because you all know I enjoy fall. I love the brisk days. You go outside and you're like, ooh, I need a jacket. I like that. I am not big on camouflage at all. This is the same print as the first one, just in a different color. So yeah, I think we're going to see that one 2 or 3 times probably. Then this is another same print. Now this is cute even though it's camouflage because you can use this as a watercolor. Not a watercolor, but you can use this in another project and it doesn't look as camo as the other one. Some wood grain, you know, I love that. So these are all the same, just repeating colors. Oh, and they threw this in. Is this not? Oh, so cute. And yep, very, very pretty. Oh, is it only one? No. Okay, yeah. This, I read my son a story about a fox and some rabbits and stuff. These look evil. That's all I'm saying. Look at them. You tell me. Okay. And then we got these little things right here. So the one thing that I wish Crafters Companion did, and I'm not sure if they do or not, is I wish that on their site they sold these in sets of 50. I always get a busted package. Always. And why I say I wish they sold these in a sets of 50 is because whoever packaged these up did not do a good job, right? Look at this. You don't have to do anything. You get your card base, which of course anyone can run this through their their die cutting machine and score it. But if they sold these, let's just say they sold 50 of these, right? And you get this, and you get the envelope for $10. You know how many people buy that? I would. Especially like the stepper cards, it's already done. You don't have to worry about it. So I would definitely do that. Yeah. So you just score it and you do all the fancy stuff you need to do to make it look like this. I would definitely buy it. And look, they even make this look pretty, this print, which I'm not a fan of that print, as you can tell. But yes, cool, very cool. I swear they must own stock in ribbon, right? Because they always give you this. And I want to tell you, if you're making these cards, I don't know how many cards you can make with this. This ribbon doesn't go a long way. So, you know, be careful with how you want to use your ribbon. Again, if you look back at the picture that they're giving you as an example, you can probably get a bow, maybe 2 bows out of 1 strip of ribbon if you do these. But if you do like a knot bow, then it'd be different. And then you get this right here, which every one of the boxes they've given has this in. And I'm assuming that it matches the colors in there. I don't look at them. And then you get 2 embossing folders, which are great. You get a tree embossing folder and you get some leaves, which is cool. And you know how I feel about embossing folders. So that's really good. I have a project already in mind for that. And then the coup de grace of the whole thing is some dies. You get dies. Some birdies. No birdies. Oh yes, the birds over here. 1 bird, 2 birds, and an acorn. And these leaves. Now you can use these leaves on other things. And I was going to buy a leaf die. Now I don't have to worry about it. I can just run this through. And with my box of flowers that I made last month, well, this month for embellishments, on the 11th, I can have some leaves. And then look at this. Now this, I like a lot. Okay, I'm not going to lie to you. I like these because I can stamp. This tree is gorgeous, first of all. Let's just talk about this tree. This tree is amazing. I was hoping the glare would be reduced a little bit. But this tree is pretty dang long. Can she get a ruler out really quickly and see what pretty dang long is? It is almost 5 inches. And let's just do the width 3. So that's really good. That's a A2 card at least. And then all of these little... So I wish we got more, but hey, not more animals, just you can stamp them out. But you get these 2 little birdies so you can stamp and cut. And you get a little field mouse, which is right here. You get these mushrooms. And I have a few gnomes that I want to work with, so I could be using those. And you get a fox, a hedgehog, and a deer, which is really cool. And this, again, is really nice. I like this a lot. I'm going to show you the other box in another video just so it's not too long. But you see how they got these little field mice? And they have another mouse like this on another project. I'm not sure if they shrink it down or not, but they have a mouse similar to this. But these are really cool. You can stamp these out and fussy cut them or cut them out with another machine. Again, this is an auto ship. I'm not sure how or if they have it, we can buy them single. Probably at a later date. If they're not available now, they will. And here you go. You get some card designs. And I've used one of their layouts before, so you get good layouts too. And it says 7x5 card base. is what you would need to do this. And they give you all of this, which I will probably keep mine and just use at a later date. But you get this, which is cool. I have a project that I have to work on that now I have a great idea how to do it. So anyway, very good designs, how they show you how to do it. I wish they showed you this design in the actual project, because sometimes this is not enough for me. Like this could be a strip of ribbon or a strip of paper, and then this sentiments on top, and then you get this little deer. Oh my goodness. And they have these leaves sticking out of their head as antlers. Very cool. And this is the circle, the aperture one, the trees in the back, on the front. So this is really, really nice. And these are more simple. It's what I like. This is just a layered card. So you can use this as a A2 versus a 5x5 card. So you can definitely use that as, I'm trying to keep the glare, you know, a smaller card base. And you have to use this big old square. And then this is cute. I like how they did this. I would like to see this like in a project though, because that's really nice. But you could probably do this on a 5x7 card as well, and just figure out the dimensions. And then they have this one right here. Oh, very cute. I didn't look at all the sentiments. That's cool. And then you get this 4x6 card with the deer looking out. This deer is going to steal so many hearts. Again, this is the regular craft compendium box, and it is called Woodland Friends. I really enjoyed unboxing this with you. I hope that you did as well, and I can't wait to create something with you all. I want to say thank you all for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.